comes trouble.
Burgundy and the ladies went out for a little stroll, huh? Boys go out walking around and talking things through.
Keep a tight perimeter.
Yes, sir. Where's your mommy?
You back off, Evening News Team.
You know, I understand that they had to bring a female in. Change your diapers. Wipe the dribble away from your bubbling lips. Rub Vaseline all over your hiney and tell you that it's special and different from everyone else's.
He said hiney.
Britt, get back over here.
Hiney.
Does she tuck you in, Ronnie? Give you a little kiss on your forehead? Tell you everything's gonna be okay?
I've had enough of you, Mantooth. This is gonna end right here, right now. Let's dance, dickweed.
You wanna dance, Ronnie? I want a polka.
And don't forget Channel 2 News with me, lead anchor Frank Pitchard.
You dirtbags have been in third place for 5 years.
Yeah, well, you're about to be in dead place.
Not so fast, you ingrates! Public news team is taking a break from its pledge drive to kick some ass. No commercials, no mercy! No!
¿Cómo están, bitches? Spanish language news is here. Tonight's top story. The sewers run red with Burgundy's blood. Yeah, yeah!